Hi guys, I'm just sitting here enjoying a cup of coffee. Today I'm at not Kronborg as I'm normally, but in another castle in the area called Frederiksborg Castle. This is also a very extraordinary building, and the reason why I actually took this place today was because I want to do an experiment where I want to record with my Insta360 while riding my electric unicycle. This is not an experiment, but I do want to make it into a drone video, and then I would try and post it on social media. I am a little bit annoyed with every time either me or somebody else put something on social media. The first thing that you get is attacked and being made suspicious that you are breaking the law. So this is sort of a provocation, or put up a video that seems like a drone video but is recorded with my Insta360 on the electric unicycle. So it would be pretty interesting to see what kind of reactions that I get to this type of video. I think it's time that at least we kick off some discussion about this, because it is annoying that you can't put up stuff that you have spent time and energy producing without some smartasses always commenting on the legal stuff behind it. Most of us actually upholding the law as we are supposed to, so I don't think it's fair to accuse us until they at least have asked us directly what's the condition behind the pictures. So it's a funny experiment. Let's see how it goes. I will probably be burned on the sticks or something because of this. But sometimes you got to put your head out and see what happens. What is your opinion about the people running around playing drone police without even actually knowing what the rules are, or the stuff that goes behind the work that you're doing? Leave it in the comment section below. Now a few clips from how it was recorded from the different angles that I can produce with the Insta360. Thank you for watching, and I got a lot of questions about electric unicycles. Let me know also in the comment section below if this is something that you want me to produce a little bit more content about, so then we can look into that. Take care and see you around.